As I really need to change the shift cable, and I found that a very popular video about Shimano Revoshift is not completely correct, I'm now making this video. Since there are too many different shifters in the world, I cannot film them all. But the disassembly principle is almost the same. Some require opening the shifter, some don't, like the SRAM X5 grip shift. I'm using a Shimano Revoshift 7-speed. The 8-speed variant has screws on it. First, shift to the highest gear, then loosen the cable. Some use 5mm Allen key / hex wrench, some 9mm spanner. Turn in the barrel adjuster. Some are located on the shifter. The video I mentioned tells you to pry through this hole using a flat screwdriver. Please don't. This is not meant to be used like this. This is only a hinge for the cover. Craftsmanship may be different from different production periods, so not every piece can be opened using this hole. Look, I followed this video and I scratched it quite badly and I couldn't open it. However, if you press here on the other side, it comes off instantly. The simplest way is to cut the cable using a cable cutter. Then remove the cable like this. I have a trick no matter you approve or not. Use compressed air to push out the dust, but you have to make sure the inside is dry. If you finish right in the rain, use a dryer or wait until next day after removing the cable. Next, spray a tiny little of WD-40 inside. Install the cable, wipe the end dry. Then you have super smooth shifting. Install cable properly, then close the cover. The stock cable is too thick. After extensive use in the rain, it did not shift properly. I like this black one. It's super cheap and is my go-to cable for work and it never breaks. Lock the cable. If you don't have a torque wrench, add 35 degrees when you reach the end. Add a cable ferrule or use sticky tape to prevent fraying. For Derailleur adjustment, please refer to another video. Changing the front shift cable is almost the same. Thanks for watching.